Hello, Skills Shift trainees. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of design thinking, a powerful approach to problem solving and innovation. Let's begin by understanding what design thinking is all about. Design thinking is not just a methodology, it's a mindset. It's a human-centered approach to innovation that puts people at the heart of the design process. At its core, design thinking is about understanding the needs, desires, and behaviors of end users to create solutions that truly resonate with them. One of the most crucial aspects of design thinking is its customer-centric nature. It starts and ends with the end user in mind. By focusing on the persona of the end user throughout the development process, we ensure that the final product or service meets their needs and exceeds their expectations. Now, let's talk about the 5 key principles of design thinking. Empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. These principles form the backbone of the design thinking process, guiding us through each stage of problem solving. Empathize. The first step in design thinking is to empathize with the end users. This involves understanding their needs, motivations, and pain points through immersive research, interviews, and observation. Define. Once we've gained insights from our users, we move on to the define stage, where we define the problem statement. This step involves synthesizing our research findings to clearly articulate the challenge we're addressing. Ideate. Next comes the ideate stage, where we unleash our creativity and generate as many ideas as possible. This is a brainstorming phase where no idea is too wild or impractical. The goal is to explore a wide range of possibilities. Prototype. After ideation, we move on to the prototype stage, where we bring our ideas to life in tangible forms. Prototypes can range from simple sketches to interactive mock-ups, depending on the complexity of the solution. Test. Finally, we enter the test stage, where we put our prototypes in front of users to gather feedback. This step is crucial for validating our ideas, refining our solutions, and ensuring that they meet the needs of our users. It's important to note that design thinking is not a linear process. It's highly iterative. We may need to go back and forth between stages, refining our ideas based on user feedback and testing results. This flexibility allows us to continuously improve and innovate. Now that we've covered the fundamentals of design thinking, let's take a closer look at the design thinking process and how we'll apply it to solve real-world challenges. The design thinking process consists of 5 key stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Each stage plays a crucial role in the journey from problem identification to solution implementation. Empathize. In the empathize stage, we immerse ourselves in the world of our end users, gaining deep insights into their needs, desires, and pain points. Through interviews, observations, and empathy mapping, we develop a deep understanding of the challenges they face. Define. Next, we move on to the define stage, where we distill our research findings into a clear problem statement. This stage is all about framing the challenge we're addressing and defining success criteria for our solution. Ideate. In the ideate stage, we unleash our creativity and generate a wide range of potential solutions. Through brainstorming sessions and design workshops, we explore different ideas and perspectives, aiming for quantity and diversity. Prototype. Once we have promising ideas, we move on to the prototype stage, where we bring our concepts to life in tangible forms. Using tools like Adobe XD, Sketch, or Figma, we create low-fidelity prototypes to test our ideas quickly and iteratively. Test. Finally, in the test stage, we put our prototypes in front of our end users to gather feedback and insights. Through user testing and observation, we validate our solutions, identify areas for improvement, and iterate on our designs. Case study, Wellbe app. Now let's apply the design thinking process to a real-world case study, the Wellbe app, designed to store and exchange personal medical and health data. Problem definition. Through market research and interviews with personas like Barbara, we've identified key pain points in the healthcare experience, such as the loss of time and freedom faced by individuals with chronic conditions. Total addressable market. TAM refers to the total revenue opportunity available for a specific product or service. In the case of Wellbe, our TAM is estimated at $1 billion, representing the potential market size. Applying design thinking. On Saturday afternoon, February 10th, we'll dive into the design thinking process together. Then, we'll ideate using brainstorming techniques to generate innovative solutions. Using tools like Marvel, Envision, or Balsamiq, we'll create a prototype of the Wellbe app, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. We'll then test our prototype with our personas to ensure it meets their needs and expectations. Iterative process. Throughout this journey, we'll continuously iterate based on user feedback, refining our problem definition, ideas, and prototypes to create a customer-centric solution that truly addresses the needs of our users. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and immerse yourselves in the design thinking process. Together, we'll unlock new insights, spark creativity, and ultimately, transform ideas into impactful solutions. So, as you embark on your design thinking journey, remember to keep the end user at the center of your process, embrace creativity, and be open to iteration. Together, we can unlock new possibilities and drive meaningful change. As SkillShift trainees, you now have the tools and knowledge to apply design thinking principles in your projects and drive meaningful change. So, I encourage you to roll up your sleeves and start practicing design thinking today. Remember, innovation is a journey, and every step forward brings us closer to our goals. So, embrace the process, stay curious, and never stop exploring new ideas. Thank you for joining us on this learning adventure. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on design thinking in our upcoming sessions. Until then, happy innovating!